Yeah, good day, everyone. Yeah, this is Game Student Empires again. Yeah, this is the second video on my YouTube channel. Like I promised you, this channel is all about sharing content about the foreign exchange market, analysis, and so many other things. So before I continue or before I proceed, I will please want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Those who are just tuning in for the first time, please like my video, subscribe, and if you have any question, you can drop it down in the comment section below. I'll be there to attend to every question there. So going to today's business. So I want to show an analysis on Cadjpy and Usdcad. Cadjpy and Usdcad. So let me start by sharing my screen. Let me start by sharing my screen. Let's see what's happening in the market today. Let me start by sharing my screen. Let me start by sharing my screen. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's popping up, man. Yeah. So actually, this is the second video of my YouTube channel. I dropped a video earlier on, so those who have not watched it should please go and do so. I dropped an analysis on Cadjpy, I dropped an analysis on GBP USD and gold. So I want to touch Cadjpy right now because let's walk through Cadjpy. Let me delete all this stuff I've placed down here. Okay, good. The chart is clean. So you see no drawing, no diagram, there's nothing on the chart. Okay. So like what I used to do as a price action trader, I do the top-down analysis. Top-down analysis, that is where as a trader you go to the higher time frame starting from the weekly, daily or monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours for entry. You don't need to be a swing trader before you do a top-down analysis. You don't need to be a swing trader. So some persons have that maybe that ideology because you are a swing trader, you must do the top-down analysis. No, day traders too, they do top-down analysis. And most times when I trade, I go for pips like 100 pips. Yeah, 100 pips and thereabouts, you understand? So let's dive into this business. So like Cadjpy, right, and let me go to the monthly time frame. Let's start with the monthly time frame. Okay, Cadjpy, like what I used to say, first of all, you look at the trend, the structure of the market. Look at the structure of the market, what's happening here, the structure of this market. Yeah, as you can see, Cadjpy has been an uptrend right from April 2020, right from this place I'm pointing this my mouse around it to this top. Yeah. So we've been going up from here to this place. What do we do first? So you market your key levels because key levels protect you, or we show you the next turning point in the market, be it a support or be it a resistance. So that's why. So that's the advantage of doing your key levels, support and resistance. So I will start from the bottom because this is the bottom part of it. This is support. This is support. Why is it a support? Price reacted here, came here, and paid around the B, but it didn't really touch this zone. But we'll mark it up. We'll call it a support zone. These are 4 touches. So 4 touches of this point. This is a key level. It's a key level because it has multiple touches. Okay, we'll call it a key level also. As you can see, this is a touch of this trend of this zone, right? The second touch, you can see market broke out, price broke out, came back and tested on it. So this is a key level also. So let's clone this guy again. So if you want to do this, instead of going and drawing, looking for your rectangle tool, just click on the box here, then you right click this 3 dotted area here, then you see clone. Clone is like you are multiplying what you are doing. So I'm multiplying this guy instead of going back and start doing them again. So this is a key level. So these are my key levels. So now price is on this zone. Presently, this is where price is now. So if I do an analysis, I used to show you guys where price is currently. This is where price is currently now. Price is around here. Present now, that's where we are. This is point 2023. So from so at this high here, this was last year October. Came here, we were able to break it, then we ride up again. So at this zone here, so what happened at this zone here? So let's pay attention here. So I've marked all these guys out on the weekly time frame. Let's go. I mean on the month, right? Let's go to the weekly time frame. So we're taking one step behind. That's what we call tool analysis. We are taking one step behind. So on this zone, what do you look at? So in the forex market, there's what we call major level and minor levels. All this I drew on the higher time frame, like monthly and weekly, at the major zones. What they call major zones, because that is where there is support and resistance on higher time frame. Support and resistance also occur on lower time frames, like daily, monthly, daily, 4 hours. Support and resistance occurs in all time frames, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and what have you. Anything that happens on higher time frame also happens on the lower time frame. So know that maybe because it's happening in the higher time frame, then it doesn't happen on lower time frame. Anything that happens there goes to the lower time frame also. So now we start looking at minor structures, minor zones. Minor zones. So I can see a minor level here, but I will use the time frame to put it out so that it's very visible, so that you guys see the minor zone. And for you, a minor zone, you have to change the color of your tools so that you won't get confused. Okay. So minor level. So we look at this zone around here. As you can see, look at this is a zone here. This is a zone. Let me change this color of this guy. Let's make this guy yellow. Okay, I'm coming. Let's make this guy yellow. Almost. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, let's do it like this. So you look at minor zones. So you don't neglect areas like me. I don't neglect areas in the market. I don't neglect areas in the market. Be it 4 hours zone. I don't neglect areas in the market because this price can do anything. You understand? We are just trying to focus what is happening. So it's not that we are 100% sure correct. Okay, look at this guy. So you see, price came here. And price came here. It broke out from here, went to this high. Also, let me continue with this yellow guy here. Okay, you see this zone here. This is a zone. This is a zone. I want to use the black bar, the black tool to look. Let me use the black tool to light it instead of okay. Okay, good. So you see, price bought. Look at this double bottom. Look at this is double bottom. This is a reversal pattern on the major level. You see, this is a reversal pattern. Price came, give us a double bottom. What is a double bottom? A double bottom, for those that don't know, a double bottom is a W shape. It goes like this. It's a double bottom here. So that in case you guys spot it, those that have not really known how to spot all this chart pattern, this is a chart pattern. So let me just do a brief explanation on double bottom. So in case you spot it anywhere on your own. Okay, this is double bottom. As you can see, look at the both legs. That's what's happened here. So in the double bottom price action, this is the resistance. That's what we call the neckline. So this is double bottom. First leg go up, second, then this is the resistance. So in the double bottom price action, what do you tend to expect? A breakout, price breaks out, come back. That's what we call a breakout and retest. A retest of the neckline, that is what we also call resistance and turn support. Then a push up, this is, but at times there are times that the price, their momentum the price have, it just tends to blow past the neckline or blow past the resistance, whereby it will come for a retest. Like what that was happening here. I missed this opportunity because why market did not give me opportunity. I was expecting a retest because this is my resistance here. Look at it over here. This is my resistance here. This was the breakout candle. This is not a breakout, this is a fake out. I'll do a video on how to identify fake outs and re-breakout. This is a re-breakout. You see how this guy just came out. So I was expecting this move to the upside, then a retest like what I just drew here, then we go. But there was no opportunity, so I left the trade. So we kept on moving. So when price was coming down, I was expecting price to come to this high, to this resistance over here. Then I was expecting a push down also from here, but when price didn't get here. So when price started coming with this momentum kind of like, okay, good, I think these guys want to change the trend. But I was also concerned about this zone. You see, this guy is a support. You see what they did previously. So I waited. I was like, if I have a bearish close down below this zone, yeah, that was when they were coming down. That's a red candle though. If we close below this zone, like this previous one here, let me like this was like this guy, this is a close down. A close down below, then 4 hours entry, break and retest. But you see what they did when they came in? They reversed. They reversed and they went to the upside. So I didn't take any trade. I kept on watching Cadjpy until when they came out and they did something. So at times in Forex, chart pattern do feel like what I just drew here, they do feel. At times they don't hold. So that's why the Forex market is not 100%. It's not a static business that whereby you go into the business or go into it like, okay, I'm expecting this. You have to, so we work with probabilities in this business. So let's move on to the next one. So after they respected this zone, after they respected this guy here, they came up, pushed up. So you see this zone here, like what I drew earlier on, the neckline, all bottom. If you guys are following me very well, you guys are following what I'm teaching right now. Double bottom here, this is the first leg, they pushed up. That was I just drew here. Let me do this guy. Yeah. Okay, look at what I'm trying to say. The first leg, they pushed up, second leg, that's what happened there. Then they came here. This was where I was expecting a breakout. They came here, but when I was waiting for a daily candle close above. As you can see, this guy, the close above, retested, then the spike inside. I took a loss on this trade. I was running about after the breakout. I saw this daily candle breakout. After this breakout, I was like, okay, good. I think we're going to, and I saw this retest on a daily time frame. I was like, good. I think I took this trade during I think I took it during the London session also. After running like 15, 20 pips, next thing, price reverse and hit my stop loss. I won't tell you less about that. In forex market, you are bound to lose. So anybody that come and tell you that he doesn't make any loss is a lie. I took a loss on this guy. I ran 13 pips profit and the price reversed and came and stopped me at why I saw my confidence that told me, James, take this. This is a buy setup. So I have no doubt on that take a trade. So I took a trade and stopped me. That's very nice. So you don't feel bad about that if you do the trade. It's normal, that's the business. So now look at what they are doing again. So they came here, came back again. They also formed the double bottom here. So, but I was not interested around there, anything around there again. So what I was waiting for, what I was waiting for Cadjpy. So I had to, I'm sorry, guys. So I have to take this resistance, this zone. Okay, let me clone this guy. Let me just. So I cloned. So I have to. Okay, I have to. So this is a resistance now. So I'm waiting for a breakout of this guy. So I was waiting for a breakout now. Okay, I not deleted this because this is our new zone here. Now you see, price was unable to break it. Now they're giving us two chart patterns. I will call this a tweezer top. What they choose that up when you have two, this and hammer do, hammer, but I'll call this boot a twist that up. But this price seems to be going up. As you can see, this is a bullish move from here. Let me use my trend line from here. You see that we bouncing around there, came here, gave us a bullish pattern, a bullish move pattern. That's the double bottom I was talking about. But they're unable to break this guy. So I was like, okay, what's happening? They have been trying to break this guy. Going to my 4 hours. 4 hours time frame. Okay. So I now decided to, okay, I said, okay, let me look for a way I can still make money from this trade. So now I have to trade with probability right now. Probability. So if I'm to take Cadjpy, see what I want to do, guys. This is my trend line here. Trend line, you see, this is my trend line around here. This is my trend line. Okay. Price bounce from here. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch. So I'm expecting a breakout of this guy. So I'm seeing Cadjpy to fall down. But there's still a but here. When you are drawing a trend line, you see something like a support or a resistance, don't neglect it. Don't just neglect it. Before I was like that before. I neglect all those things, like, okay, because there's a broken trend line, then it will go up. No, you don't do like that. Once you plot your trend line and there is a support or resistance, you don't just neglect it. Because this guy can come here like this. Come here like this. The next thing, it will go up. Because now you are making an assumption that if this guy will break, it will break. Let's see, you are very correct. Okay, this guy breaks now and close very below what you're looking for. Okay, you saw what you're looking for. Okay, good. What if this guy comes here and bounce off? What will you do? Because they tend to respect zone. That's how price work. They respect zone. So don't rule out anything. So I'm watching this guy carefully. If I want to go into this trade, though, this is what I'll be doing on this pair on Cadjpy. I will wait for a push out from here. And the way I'm seeing this market is as if these guys want to form something like an head and shoulder. It's a right shoulder head. They're coming for a left shoulder. Let's just see what's going to happen. So if I want to take this, I must wait for higher time frame confirmation, breakout, retest here. Good. If I see this like a daily time frame, like you see this guy around here, see this guy, this was a breakout from here. Let's go to a daily time frame. Let's see what the candle, give us. This is a breakout. This is actually a pin battle, but on the 4 hours, it gave us a momentum. So I use 4 hours, I use daily time frame for my conference. Like, see this guy, this is a momentum. This guy broke out. So if I see this kind of breakout from here again, so I'll wait patiently for like tomorrow. Let me see what's going to happen tomorrow. If I see this kind of breakout, then believe me, I will just go in for a retest. Then I will just short the market from this zone. Let me take my ruler. From there, I will short market from this zone down to this double bottom here, because there's double bottom around here also. Let me just mark it out. There you see double bottom around there also. But let me change this color to yellow again, so that you guys don't get confused. Okay, so there's a zone. So there's a zone around there. I think this guy is too thick. Let me make it a bit light so that too thick, yeah. So if once they close, daily candle close, once I have a daily candle close below here, then I will consider this as an head and shoulder. Because look at it, this guy, they form a double top, but this is not the equal M. It's a double top. They form the breakout with test continuation. So if this guy, I'm trying to look at this guy form an head and shoulder pattern. So if the breakout from a daily time frame, with test of it, then I'll go up. But if they don't do that, I'll still also wait for a daily time frame breakout from this resistance here. From this resistance. So I must still wait for a daily time frame, daily candle breakout, clean breakout, then the breakout from here, then we will see them up to this zone. So for now I'm in between. For now I'm in between. I'm just watching what Cadjpy have to offer for us. I'm just watching. It break down below here, I go short. About how many pips? Take my profit at the next level target. I'm looking at about 162 pips. I'll be having two take profit area. This will be my first take profit. This will be my first take profit area. Yeah. Yes. My first take profit area here. Because you can see I don't rule out anything. Anywhere market reacts, I always tend to like take my money from there partially, or maybe sometimes I take everything. But yeah, first level target here. Then after the breakout from India, I'll hold the trade down to this point. So this is my analysis or my analysis on Cadjpy. If waiting for a daily candle breakout from here with a go down, or waiting for a breakout from here with a go down. So I have to sit and watch maybe tomorrow or next to see what Cadjpy will have to offer for us. Let me just quickly run around Usdcad. Yeah, let me take these guys off. Usdcad has been ranging for some time now. I'll be ranging, but the weekly candles giving us a bullish momentum, which I see Usdcad to go to the upside. Usdcad has been ranging. Let me just quickly run through this guy. This is support. This is support here. Double bottom on our support level. Double bottom, like what I drew the previous time. Double bottom on our support level. See, price is making high, low, lower high. This is a low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low. Then they came here. And if I'm to draw, okay, I won't be okay. Let me make it very snappy. I don't waste more time on this video. That's why it seems as if I'm just trying to be very fast about this guy. Okay, you see this guy around here. These are zones, reactive zones in the market, key levels. As you can see, they have been holding price for a very long time. Price went down, respected it. Okay, so good. These lows too are so I won't be touching here, but these lows too are also support. These highs are resistance, key levels. As you can see, bounce off, and thereabouts. Okay, nice. See a double bottom at this level here. Let me click this guy. This is support. The double bottom. Though if price close like this, up to the upside, once it close with that momentum. Okay, but I found something on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame. Using my trend line coming from here. Okay, my trend line. This is first touch of a trend line, second touch, third touch. Are you guys seeing what's happening here? This is the trend line, first touch, one touch of the trend line, second touch. This was the third touch. Trend line, third touch is here. Look at it. But we have today's price now, we have closed bullish. We broke out from a strong trend line, closed with a bullish momentum candle. With this kind of candlestick momentum, I'm suggesting this is all these are zones in the market. Let me use a yellow. Let me use a yellow color for it. Zones in the market. As you can see, we have broken out from here. Look at that double bottom that I showed you guys on the weekly time frame. Look at how big it is here. So we have broke out from here, daily time frame. So this is a breakout, a clean breakout. So let's see what's happening on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, good. We have broken out. So what I'm seeing on Usdcad, I'm seeing a breakout retest. Two things can either happen on this trade. Two things can happen on this pair. Where's my arrow? What's my arrow? Okay, this can happen here. We can come back here, then go up. Come back here, go up. What are we going to come back? Let's go to the day time frame. So this is what we call breakout and retest. So this is the actual breakout of this trend line on the daily time frame. Breakouts. This was the rejection, breakout. So we can actually come back a breakout retest here on this trend line, breakout and retest of the trend line. Then we should go to the upside, taking out this resistance and going to this next level. Or if Cadjpy have a very strong momentum, maybe Cadjpy momentum is so strong, we can now see a strong push out. We can now see a strong push out from here instead of coming back to retest. Instead of then coming back to retest, we can now see a strong push out from here, from this zone, from this 4 hours, from this 4 hour support, resistance. We can now see a very strong push from this 4 hour support. Then we go up. So these are my projection on Cadjpy and Usdcad. So if you guys find this content very interesting, you guys should please subscribe to the channel. I'll keep on coming here to show my views on what I want to trade. I'll tell you guys my view on each pair I'm going to take. Look at the outcome. So thank you.